Let's begin in a seated position or laying down comfortably with your eyes closed if you feel comfortable to do so. We will be focusing on healing our thyroid and relieving tension and stress in the body. May every time we inhale, we breathe in pure white light, healing energies, and unconditional love. May every time we exhale, we breathe out stress, tension, and all energies that no longer serve us. May every time we inhale and exhale, we remain in the present moment from moment to moment. Wounded masculine layers, stress, inner child trauma, and past life energy affects thyroid health. The longer the stuck energy stays there, the more of a chance it will manifest into Hashimoto's. I highly recommend following up with my inner child meditation and my emotional body cleansing meditation after this. Now, let's focus on our masculine energy within. It doesn't matter what gender you are, whether you're male, female, everybody has masculine energy within. Okay, so let's direct our attention and our focus to the masculine energy. Repeat after me. I now heal and release all layers of wounded masculine energy back to source for healing and replace it with healthy, positive, disciplined masculine energy with grace and ease. Now let's redirect our attention and our focus to the subconscious mind. Repeat after me when you are ready. I now heal and release all layers of wounded masculine programming back to source for healing and replace it with healthy, positive, disciplined masculine programming with grace and ease. Now, let's redirect our attention and focus to the psyche. I now heal and release all layers of wounded masculine programming back to source for healing and replace it with healthy, positive, disciplined masculine programming with grace and ease. Take 2 deep breaths in and out. Now, let's make our way to the higher heart chakra. This is where our inner child resides within our energy system. When you are ready, repeat after me. I now heal and release all layers of past life trauma and trapped emotions within my higher heart chakra now, and send all of this old energy back to source for healing, and replace it with healing energies, the highest vibrational golden light, and unconditional love. Take a few breaths here. Inhaling through the nose and exhaling as slowly as you can out of your mouth. Do a couple rounds of that kind of breath work. Start to wiggle your toes, your hands, and open your eyes whenever you are ready.